Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's topic is to reuse my old vase mobile cover. So I have this old back cover. Now let's paint it and make it beautiful and useful too. Here first I will put white acrylic color as my base paint. Then I am using blue color and in the center I will make a circle with mixing white and then mix it nicely. After done the process, it's gonna be look like this. Now I will draw cute Buddha on center. For that, first I draw on a paper, then I cut it. Then I will place it on cover and dark the lines. Here is it. Now it's color time. First I am using skin color on Buddha's face and hand. Now using orange for dress. Here using pink color for my lotus. Now for hair, first paint with brown acrylic color. Now it's shading time. First I will shade the dress with brown color. Now using light pink color for border the lotus. Using black acrylic color for eyes and other detailing. Keep watching. Now I am using a dotting tool for cell on Buddha's head. First I am using black for cell, then on top I will use golden color. See here my Buddha is ready. Now putting one red dot on forehead. Now I draw little mandala on background as you can see. Then using white acrylic color for inside detail on mandala. Now it's done. Here I will coat varnish to keep my drawing as it is for longer period. And here it's the final look. Tell me in the comment section if you like it. This Buddha is cutest one. Is not it looks very cute? I like this cover a lot, and if you also like this, then don't forget to like and share. And if you are a new viewer on my channel, then check out my other videos too. I hope you will like it, and if you like, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. to get the all notification in time. Bye bye. See you in the next video. And thank you for watching.